Welcome. In this lecture we will learn a lot. First, let me start with one rename. Click on this node. You can click twice or just right click and select rename. After that, change the node name to something like this: 2D bodies physics. Of course, you can change any name you like. This will be the name for your root node. Also, this will be name for your GDScript. Now we will attach GDScript. Click on this micro button and you will get some dialog like this: attach node script. Language will be GDScript. This is also by default. Template will be default template. Path also default. Just click on load. So you don't need to change anything in this dialog first time. Click on load and you will get default script for working. For example, default script look like this. This is completely default script. You will have comments. This sign here symbolize one line comment, so you will have some comments about code. You will have this extends node and also function. Function are defined part of code. Extends node means that this node extends in script. Now we are in a script which is a little bit changed. So what you need to do? You don't need to do now anything. Just leave it as it is. We will go back to our 2D screen. Just click here on this micro button. Now we have attached script and we have everything ready. We now need to use GDScript to set friction for this platform. When we start this game, we have something like this. If we set friction here, better to say when we change friction, because now friction have default value of 1, this is maximum friction. If we for example set friction to 0, nothing will change. But if we change angle of this platform, we can see what friction means. First, we will add another static body. So select your root node, add static body from recent or from a search box, you know how to do it. Then when static body is selected, add collision shape, and for shape select new rectangular shape. This rectangular shape don't need to be so big. Select static body, select movement, select move mode, move it, and after that you need to rotate it. We will rotate it with rotate mode. Just click on rotate mode and rotate it in some kind of angle. If you want to angle be properly set, for example to 90, click on transform, go to rotation degree and write what you want. Now we will again go to move mode and put this here. This static body will be without sprite image, so when we start a game we will not see much. Next, we will go to our static body. First, initially set static body and put some rotation, for example 9 degrees, or we can put something less than this, and we can make some changes here to put this collision shape here. And now when we test it, we will have rotation with maximum friction. Here friction for this body is maximum. If we change friction using our code, what we need to do? We need to go to our ready function. There you will only find something like this, and you will not have other functions usable. So only go to function ready, and in this part code write first $sign, then select first static body. This is StaticBody2D, find it here, StaticBody2D, and click enter, $sign, and after that we need to write set friction. Friction will be 0. So now when we start our code, friction will be 0. Now you see you don't have friction, you only have movement without friction, and there are no rotation. If this is not set, you will have friction. In the block expected, sorry, we need to write this statement when a function is without code, and when function is declared we need to have something like this. Sorry, again, I'm starting initial scene. I need to start this scene. So with a play, we have it. And now we have friction and rotation, as you see. Thank you for watching. We will continue with methods for bodies, static body and rigid body in next lecture. Goodbye.